Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phone cases on Amazon. To begin, you must identify a specific niche. Research current market trends to discover popular phone models and styles. Analyze competitor listings to find gaps and opportunities, perhaps for a unique design or a specific material. Differentiating your product is key to standing out in a crowded marketplace, so consider what makes your cases special, like eco-friendly materials or advanced protection features. Next, focus on sourcing and product development. Find reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality phone cases consistently. Negotiate favorable pricing and minimum order quantities, perhaps starting with 100 units. Develop unique branding and attractive packaging that resonates with your target audience. Always ensure your product complies with all of Amazon's selling policies and safety standards to avoid any issues down the line. Now, let's optimize your listing for maximum visibility. Craft compelling product titles and bullet points, incorporating relevant keywords that customers are searching for. Write a detailed product description highlighting all key features and benefits. Upload several high-quality images from multiple angles, and consider adding a short product video. Set a competitive price point and choose an appropriate fulfillment method, like Fulfillment by Amazon, for seamless logistics. Finally, it's time for marketing and scaling. Utilize Amazon PPC campaigns to increase your product's visibility and drive initial sales. Actively encourage customer reviews to build social proof and trust, aiming for at least 20 positive reviews quickly. Explore external marketing channels, such as social media, to expand your reach. Continuously monitor your sales data and customer feedback, adjusting your strategies to ensure sustained growth and long-term success on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.